All right, friends, how are you? Aaron back at it again today. It's Friday, June 7th, 2019. We've got a heck of a Friday, heck of a start of a weekend here, right? So later on Thursday, we had a lot of this water energy. Mercury moved into Cancer. This is squaring Chiron, a lot of mental game energy. Then the moon moved into Leo, right? And early in the morning, the Leo moon is making a trine to Chiron. And now later today, on Friday, the moon is going to be in the middle degrees of Leo. All right, the middle degrees of Leo, this is our ego. This is our go play, go have fun. Remind yourself that you are beautiful. Remind yourself that you have a lot of good things that you have to offer in life. A lot of good things to offer to others in life. All right, this isn't a solo journey. With Jupiter here, let's go to the chart and show you. Jupiter here up in Sagittarius creating this beautiful trine to the moon in Leo, saying more. There's more information out there that can feed into your emotional playfulness, that can play. The ego wants to go live, it wants to go play, it wants to have fun, it wants to experience. With this connection up here to Jupiter, saying more of that. You need more of this, because this connection is exact today. Chiron squaring Cancer, or Chiron squaring Mercury in Cancer. Okay, Chiron wants to heal ourselves. Mercury, mentality in our emotions. Okay, where our emotions meet our mental world. And these are coming back into saying self, of like, hey, child, why are you beating yourself up? Why are you beating yourself up? Why do you not see the beauty that you are? Why do you not understand that you are so unique and amazing and talented, and you have all of these great things? And you need to get to the bottom of this right now. You need to figure out what is going on internally with you mentally. Okay, we got to up our mental game here, and that's why this is going to be here for 2 more months. You know, we're going to have another month of pretty much another month of Mars in Chiron, or Mars in Cancer, and then Mercury is going to go forward of 4 degrees, and then retrograde all the way back here again. So it's just like we're not leaving this summer without getting to the bottom of us beating ourselves up. Now, with thankfully the moon's energy moving into Leo. Okay, and it's creating this beautiful trine here. Now, although this isn't a grand trine, we don't get this magnifying glass aspect of Jupiter. We don't get this like, hey, more information kind of coming up here to shine the light on this. We do get it through this like piggyback. You know what I mean? So again, this is saying more. Shine this emotional light on here and expand this ego playfulness. And as this is still making, as the moon here in Leo is still making this connection to Chiron in Aries. So we are, again, that piggyback kind of feeling. So this is an additional boost of energy, like, hey, I am enough. I can sit here and think of a lot of things that make me a unique and special and great person. There are a lot of things, if we stop right now and say, hey, list 3 things that you hate about yourself, and now 3 things that you love about yourself, it's really easy for us to say, oh, I hate this, and this, and this. And then when it comes down to saying, like, oh, things I love about myself, I'm not a terrible person, I don't think. You know what I mean? We have a harder time, like, really seeing the truth in the positive sides of things. People that have, and there's also like there's a healthy balance of ego, and that's what this is all saying. Like there's being so a false sense of modesty is that's not authentic either, right? Because it's just like, no, you need to know what goods you're bringing forward to the table. Like, can you do this job or not? If not, okay, no, go do the job that you can do. And if you excel at that job, well, then you need to know that you excel at it, and you need to persevere in your ways that you do excel at it. It's just like, okay, if you're Michael Jordan, can you dribble the ball? Like, if he didn't say anything, if he just stood there, it's just like, I kind of play sometimes, but I'm not a huge basketball guy. I kind of like baseball too, and I like bowling, and I like this. So like, all right, whatever, Michael. We're you know what I mean? So it's like, no, you're Michael Jordan. Go play ball. So this is like, hey, recognize your talents, recognize what's going on, and okay, we can figure out this mental game together. We have a couple of months over the summer that we can figure this out. We can internally work on our game and get ourselves emotionally right, mentally emotionally right. Because there's a difference, There's a difference. So we're getting ourselves mentally, emotionally right, and understanding that we have the strength, we have the fire, we have the passion that keeps us alive and burning and going, and that the things that we're passionate about are what drives us and propels us forward and makes us excel at those areas in life, and that's where we shine, and that's where our energy goes to, and that's the energy that we're going into today. So happy Friday, everybody. Let that light shine, be passionate, be exciting, go play, have fun, let the ego play, and be free.